Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this tutorial, I am going to cover how to import data into your Shopify store. In creating your Shopify store, you may be moving from an existing store or looking to add products in bulk to save time. There are two ways to add products to Shopify. One, you can use a Shopify import CSV or use the import store app located in your Shopify admin. So the first way is to add by CSV. For that, you can go to Products and click Import. This will give you the option to add files, but before you add it, you must create it. So you can download the sample CSV, which will show you what information is needed for each product. I created a updated Shopify product upload template to kind of go over which header means what. In order to import your CSV in this format, you have to have the appropriate headers. So the first one is the handle. This would be the URL of your product. This is what you're going to have in the search when a customer goes and searches for a particular item. This is the URL that is going to show up in the URL address bar. The title is the title of the product. Body is the description, and it can be put in body HTML format. Collections, you can add categories in the form of collections that you can have your product added to. Vendor, who made it? If it is from your store, then you can put your store name in. By default, if it is left empty, then it will go to your store name in Shopify. You can put a type of product, tags that are associated with this product, if it is published, and in order to set it to be published, you either have to put true or false. That will determine if it is viewable from the website or not. Then option 1, option 2, and option 3 are for your variants. So if you wanted to have a color or a size, you're going to need to put each of those options in the option value. You have variant SKU, so you can put your product stocking number in. Variant grams, the weight of the product. Variant inventory is who tracks inventory. Will Shopify keep track of the inventory or not? That's what it's asking you. How much do you have in inventory? There you go. Variant inventory policy, which at this time is manual. Variant fulfillment. Who will be fulfilling this product? It will be Shopify. Shopify will be the provider who this order is going through. So this will stay in our Shopify admin. If you had to provide a fulfillment service such as Printful or Printify, then that will go there in this fulfillment service. For variant price, how much does it cost? The compare to price, if it's different from the actual price. Does it need to be shipped? If it's taxable. UPC codes. Image source, which this would be a URL directly to the image, and it will be able to be pulled into Shopify for you. Image position is for if you have more than one photo, which photo shows up first, which photo shows up second, and on and on. Image alt text is the alt text, the hover text of your images. Is this a gift card? This will be another false, true or false. SEO title, SEO description is for the search engine optimization. And then you have a ton of Google Shopping variants that you can put in. And if you have multiple variants and they have different photos for them, you can enter them here. Each variant image will need to have its own line. Then you have your variant weight, the measurement of it, which would be pounds, tax code, and cost per item. Cost per item is not shown to the customer, and it is only on the back end for you. So once that is filled out, you'll download it into a CSV, and you will upload to your Shopify store using this Import Products by CSV. If you are looking to import from a new existing site or a marketplace, then you will search for import and click import under the Shopify admin. So I will install the app. And if you have an issue with installing it, most times it's about the cookies. So you have to accept the cookies in order for this import store to be added into your shop. Once you do that, this is the screen you will see. Import your data into Shopify, and here you will select the platform that you are looking to move from. Right now we have ShopKeep, Squarespace, MailChimp, Big Cartel, WooCommerce, Etsy, another Shopify store, BigCommerce, and PrestaShop. These are the platforms that are currently available for you to import your store into. With each selection that you make, there's a set of instructions for how to continue with the import. So if we were to import from Etsy, it will tell us how to export our data from Etsy, what information can be exported and uploaded into Shopify, and for Etsy, it's our listings, orders, and order items. After that, we will upload our data, and we have our box that comes up here. And then we will review the imported data, make sure that everything went as it was needed. If it did not go well, then you can go into products and delete the ones or edit the ones that have imported into your store. So that is how to import data to your Shopify store. I have the link of that upload template in the description of this video. I hope it helped. And if you are looking for more videos on Shopify, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist.